Good day everyone and welcome to today's video of EURUSD trade setup. And apologize, I was not able to post videos for the past few days. I was traveling and I don't know, want to post something half-baked to trade setup. So that's the reason, and today I'm back at my home and found some time to do some analysis and thought of posting an quick EURUSD trade setup. So from the last time when we were looking at the USD was climbing up and then moving sideways for a week or so, and then it started climbing down. And as you can see, currently it's trading at 1.0875. So that's way less than what it was trading at the start of the month at 1.107, and I was expecting it to break higher. But this 1.1075 turned out to be an important resistance for the EURUSD. And also, while coming down, it actually broke a couple of support lines, one towards 1.102 on the psychological 1.1 region, as well as here. And but as you can see, there have been quite a few retests and then going down and support as well here. And it broke, retested again. It's coming down. It's going up a bit, and then obviously it will come down. So we will see how the trade setup goes in. But before looking at the trade setup and the chart, let's look at what we got in the economic calendars for Euro USD. So for today, we got not many news coming up from the Euro or the US zones. A couple of news from Australia, China, and the initial production has been given as 10.9 versus 3.9. So that's a good thing. For the growth wise, and industrial production in Eurozone has been low when compared to the previous month. The estimate was given as minus 2.5 compared to the previous month, but it came as minus 4.1. So that's again that's not some things that are going to support the Eurozone. So let's so today, as I said, not many news coming up from the Euro and the US zone, and it's going to be an quite trade setup for today. But looking at tomorrow, we got quite a few stories. I mean, news coming up from GBP, the UK region. Even though it's not part of the Euro, it will still have some impact on the Euro USD movements. And later in the day, we have news coming up from the German economic sentiment that has been given as lower than the previous month. So that's and considering Germany is the biggest economy in the eurozone, this will have an impact on the euro's strength or weakness. And just scrolling down the list, we have the core retail sales from the US at 8:30 a.m. and it's given as positive 0.4 and compared to the negative 0.4. And the retail sales has been given up higher as well. So this obviously these things are going to help USD to get more stronger. And scrolling down later on, we got this speech by ECB president. That's around 10 o'clock EST. So as of today, it's going to be a quite one from the newsroom. So we will just come back to the chart and see how things are trading. And as you can see, this is a 4-hour chart, and as I said, it broke a couple of support regions, and then it's just going down. So as of now, the RSI is looking at at 36-37 region, and obviously it's need to come a bit up, and then it's going to go down again. But as of now, it isn't in an oversold region, if you ask me. So and this is like a 4-hour chart, and we can expect the EURUSD to come down at least 1.107, and then it's going to go up a bit later on. But again, this is for a longer term, not for a shorter term. But as of now, let's look at a 1-hour chart, how things are turning up in the setup. So scrolling to the 1-hour chart, as you can see, it found a bit of support here, and especially in this region 1.108 1.109 region, and it's going up roughly it's just 20 pips maximum. It's going up, and RSI in the 1-hour chart, it's actually higher at 53, but again it's not an proof that it's going to go up. My take would be to short where it is half of the lots you usually trade, whether if your regular lot size trading is one lot, go short now at region 1.108 sorry 1.088, and then half of the lots later on somewhere towards 1.109 region. So that's when it's going to come here, and obviously there is an resistance region that built up earlier, and it's going to follow that, and from there it's going to come down again. So that's the trade setup for today. Go short from where it's currently trading, or enter half of your trades here, or then wait until 1.09 and then short again the rest of the lots. So the profit trades, if you want to hold it for a longer time, I would say hold on to your short and close it somewhere near to 1.108, or if you want to stay even more longer, you can close off until 1.101, sorry, 1.073. But if you are one of those short-term traders who want to close out the trades within a day or two, short it and then close off once you are in profit of 30 or 40 pips. So that's the trade setup for today, and we're going to go short on EURUSD considering weak news coming up from the Eurozone, and a couple of good news has hopefully come from the US zone. So that's the trade setup, and happy trading pips, and hopefully we'll make enough profits, and we'll meet again in the next trade setup tomorrow. Thank you.